Thinking about buying a motorcycle in 2025? Here's what you need to know. Not all motorcycles are created equal. While some promise reliability, performance, and style, others come with shocking flaws that can drain your wallet and ruin your riding experience. In this video, I'll reveal 3 motorcycles you should avoid at all costs. These bikes may look great on the surface, but their hidden issues make them some of the worst choices this year. But don't worry, it's not all bad news. I'll also introduce 4 incredible motorcycles that combine reliability, innovation, and value for your money. By the end of this video, you'll know which bikes to skip and which ones deserve a spot in your garage. Ready to make an informed decision? Worst number 3, Triumph Rocket 3 GT. First on the worst list is the Triumph Rocket 3 GT. While it boasts a massive engine and an eye-catching design, it's plagued with excessive weight and high maintenance costs. Riders report that its handling feels unwieldy at lower speeds, and frequent servicing becomes an expensive hassle. This bike's sheer bulk also limits its practicality, making it a struggle for riders who prefer agility and responsiveness. One frustrated owner said, "It's more of a garage trophy than a roadworthy bike." If practicality and affordability matter to you, steer clear of this heavy weight. Its hefty weight isn't just a handling concern, it also affects fuel efficiency, with many owners reporting dismal mileage compared to other models in its class. Add to that the frequent need for specialized servicing, and it's clear that the Triumph Rocket 3 GT might not live up to the expectations of riders seeking a dependable machine. Additionally, the bike's unique design requires costly custom parts for even minor repairs, making ownership a daunting financial commitment. While it may appeal to those seeking a showpiece, the Rocket 3 GT falls short for anyone craving a reliable everyday motorcycle. Worst number 2, Moto Guzzi MGX-21. Next up, we have the Moto Guzzi MGX-21. This bike's bold, futuristic look might grab attention, but its poor reliability and limited parts availability make it a risky investment. Riders frequently complain about electrical issues, inconsistent braking performance, and the lack of smoothness in the ride. Many owners find that sourcing parts is a logistical nightmare, often requiring weeks of waiting. Its heavy frame, though visually impressive, detracts from its performance on winding roads or during sudden stops. Riders often find it clunky and challenging to maneuver, particularly in urban settings. One owner summed it up, "It looks amazing, but I've spent more time dealing with breakdowns than enjoying it on the road." For a bike in this price range, it's simply not worth the headache. What's more, the lack of widespread dealer networks adds another layer of frustration for owners, leaving them stranded when technical issues arise. While the MGX-21's styling may attract a niche audience, its functional shortcomings make it a tough sell for most riders. Worst number 1, Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. Finally, the worst offender is the Ducati Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak. Despite its impressive performance stats, it suffers from high repair costs, frequent recalls, and a harsh ride quality. While Ducati's reputation for crafting high-performance machines is well known, this particular model falls short in terms of reliability. Riders also report issues with overheating during long rides, a flaw that significantly impacts its appeal as a long-distance touring bike. Its advanced electronics, while innovative, have been criticized for being glitchy, leading to frustrating experiences during rides. One disappointed owner said, "I expected a high-end adventure bike, but it's been nothing but problems." For the price, there are much more reliable options available that won't leave you stranded in the middle of your journey. Additionally, the bike's high fuel consumption and limited tank range make it less suitable for extensive travel. The Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak might excel on paper, but in real-world scenarios, it often struggles to meet expectations. Best number 4, Yamaha XSR900. Now let's talk about the best motorcycles you should consider in 2025. First on the list is the Yamaha XSR900. Known for its powerful engine and retro styling, this naked bike offers the perfect balance of performance and everyday usability. Its smooth ride, advanced electronics, and striking design make it a favorite among enthusiasts. This bike is powered by Yamaha's 889cc inline triple engine, offering a thrilling yet refined performance that caters to both urban streets and open highways. The XSR900's lightweight chassis enhances handling, making it a joy to navigate through twisty roads. One happy owner said, "It's a modern classic that delivers on every level." The blend of performance and nostalgia ensures its continued popularity among riders of all skill levels. Its high-quality components, combined with low maintenance requirements, make the XSR900 a top contender for riders seeking reliability with a dash of flair. Moreover, its customizable design appeals to those who want a bike that reflects their personality. The XSR900 is also equipped with advanced safety features, such as traction control and ABS, ensuring a secure ride even in challenging conditions. Its fuel efficiency adds to its practicality, making it a favorite for both daily commuting and long weekend rides. Riders who value individuality often find the XSR900 to be the perfect canvas for customization, further cementing its place as a standout choice. Best number 3, Kawasaki Vulcan S. Next we have the Kawasaki Vulcan S, a cruiser that blends style, comfort and performance. Its 650cc parallel twin engine provides smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced riders. With its adjustable ergonomics, it's a bike designed to fit riders of all sizes. The Vulcan S stands out for its sporty handling, which differentiates it from other cruisers in its class. Riders often describe it as a bike that combines comfort and performance seamlessly, whether navigating tight city streets or cruising long highway stretches. The engine's smooth delivery ensures a responsive throttle that appeals to riders who value both performance and efficiency. Additionally, Kawasaki's Ergo Fit system allows riders to customize the seat, foot pegs and handlebars to suit their height and riding style, making it one of the most accommodating bikes in its segment. Its advanced braking system, which includes ABS, provides confidence in various weather and road conditions. One owner shared, "It's my go-to bike for both daily rides and weekend adventures. It feels like it was built just for me." The Vulcan S also excels in its low-maintenance design, ensuring minimal downtime for repairs and upkeep. Riders often praise its sleek yet modern styling, which blends classic cruiser aesthetics with contemporary touches. This bike offers excellent fuel efficiency and a comfortable riding position, making it perfect for both commuting and long-distance cruising. Best number 2, Honda Africa Twin. Coming in second is the Honda Africa Twin, a standout adventure bike that sets the standard for versatility and durability. With its rugged build, excellent off-road capabilities, and long-distance comfort, the Africa Twin is ready to tackle any terrain you throw at it. Its dual-clutch transmission, DCT, makes gear transitions seamless, giving riders the confidence to navigate diverse conditions without a hitch. For both novice and seasoned adventurers, this bike is a perfect blend of technology, comfort, and reliability. The Africa Twin boasts a robust 1084cc parallel twin engine that delivers consistent and dependable power. Whether you're climbing rocky trails, gliding through sand dunes, or cruising on open highways, the engine adapts to deliver smooth and steady performance. Riders also appreciate its advanced suspension system, designed to handle rough terrain effortlessly while providing a comfortable ride on paved roads. Combined with its lightweight frame, the Africa Twin offers agility and control, allowing riders to confidently navigate narrow trails and challenging obstacles. One of the standout features of the Africa Twin is its adaptive versatility. With multiple riding modes, gravel, sand, tour, and user-customizable options, riders can fine-tune the bike's performance to match their journey. Whether you're planning a short trip or a cross-continental adventure, the Africa Twin ensures an optimized riding experience. The large fuel tank provides an impressive range, making it ideal for long-distance rides, while the ergonomic seat and adjustable windscreen add to rider comfort, even during extended hours on the road. Tech-forward features also set the Africa Twin apart. Its advanced traction control, cruise control, and electronically adjustable suspension enhance its appeal as a modern adventure bike. Additionally, the bike integrates smartphone connectivity and GPS navigation, ensuring you stay connected and on track during your expeditions. Riders love the intuitive digital display, which keeps key information accessible at a glance, helping you focus on the ride ahead. Durability is another hallmark of the Africa Twin. Built with Honda's renowned engineering precision, it's a low-maintenance machine that riders can count on for years. Its frame is designed to withstand the demands of off-road adventures, while components like its reinforced skid plates and handguards provide added protection. Many owners describe the Africa Twin as a bike that's built to last through countless adventures, no matter how tough the conditions. If you're looking for a motorcycle that combines cutting-edge technology, all-terrain performance, and the comfort needed for extended journeys, the Honda Africa Twin is the ultimate choice. It's not just a bike, it's a trusted partner for exploring the wilderness and discovering the open road. Best number 1, Suzuki V-Strom 800DE. Finally, the top pick for 2025 is the Suzuki V-Strom 800DE. This adventure bike combines cutting-edge technology, robust off-road performance, and legendary reliability. Its 776cc parallel twin engine delivers a smooth and powerful ride, while its advanced suspension and traction control systems make it a top choice for any terrain. Whether you're exploring rugged trails or cruising highways, the V-Strom 800DE stands out for its impressive versatility. Its lightweight frame enhances handling, while the comfortable seat ensures hours of riding without fatigue. The V-Strom 800DE is designed for riders who seek adventure without compromise. Its advanced rider aids, such as selectable ABS modes, multiple traction control levels, and ride-by-wire throttle, ensure that the bike adapts effortlessly to changing environments. Its high ground clearance and durable tires make it a standout performer in off-road settings, while its smooth on-road performance ensures comfort and efficiency. What truly elevates the V-Strom 800DE is its long-distance touring capabilities. The bike features a large-capacity fuel tank and excellent fuel efficiency, allowing for extended journeys with minimal stops. The adjustable windscreen and ergonomic seat design add to its touring appeal, providing comfort for hours on end. One seasoned adventurer said, "The V-Strom 800DE is my ultimate partner for exploring the unknown. It's reliable, powerful, and always ready for the next challenge." Additionally, Suzuki's focus on durability is evident in the bike's construction, which includes reinforced components and a corrosion-resistant frame. Its connectivity features, such as GPS integration and a user-friendly digital display, ensure riders stay informed and on track during their journeys. With robust aftermarket support and a wide range of available accessories, the V-Strom 800DE is easily customizable to meet individual needs, whether for commuting, touring, or off-road adventures. So there you have it, the 3 worst motorcycles to avoid and the 4 best motorcycles to buy in 2025. Which bike caught your attention? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.